Let's go ahead and find. First, you need to grab your MP3 that you're looking for. Shape of you MP3 download. MP3. This one is good. Okay, this one looks good. Now, once you get the MP3, you need to go to this website called ringtonemaker.com. Here we need to upload the MP3 that we just downloaded. Okay, so it's in downloads. To downloads, select that. Excuse the background music. Now you need to make a ringtone in M4R format because that is the format that iPhone supports for ringtones. And you need to select the 30-second of the song that you want to set it as a ringtone. You can't set it more than 30 seconds. That was the case when I did it last time. I'm not sure about what it is currently, but let's have a look.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love.
So let's start it from here.
On the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now start to dance, and now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my
36 to I guess 66. Yes, you can do this 66.
waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body.
Make a ringtone. Now download this one. So we have this. Now all you need is an iTunes with your iPhone connected. So I have my iPhone connected over here. You will see this screen. You need to go to tones and then just I guess drag and drop the tone over here. So no, it's not here. Wait. So it's not letting me drag and drop. If you're doing it on Windows, you'll have an option to add a library, and you can also drag and drop on Windows. Let me see what can be done over here. Is it the right format? No. Okay, so we did it in the wrong format. We need an M4R file, not the MP3 file. So let's do it again. Now download. So now we get the M4R file, and this should work directly with the drag and drop on iTunes. Should go and just drag and drop it here, and I guess it's over there. So once the song shows up over here, you just need to go to your iPhone and then tones and sync all tones or selected tones. Suppose you just want to do this one, let's just sync this, and it will be on your iPhone in a few seconds. Takes a lot of time because I have a lot of data on my phone, so maybe because of that. Still not there on the phone. Man, this is taking ages. Okay, so now it's preparing to sync. I guess it would take a decade to sync it to my phone. Let's wait till then. So finally, this one is on my phone.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade
So
for somebody like
that
me.
was it for
Come
today.
now, follow